4 strokes back. Yay! 4 stroke. I have a little information for you if you want to write it down.
I was watching the video. Let me get my pen. Just a sec.
Oh, chill on that video. This one's going to be a better video sound-wise. That last one, like I said, it'll make, even when you're munchkin audio, it'll turn the volume up and make you sound louder. So, yeah, keep talking.
Go ahead, Polecat.
Alright, your modulation is controlled by VR8. That's Victor Roger number 8. Your limiter is Delta 507. That's a diode 507. Your AM power is controlled by 3 different L coils. L910, L912, L913.
And you don't have to worry about writing them down because those instructions were just recorded in the video.
I already wrote them down, but I don't want to start clipping diodes. I might play with some of the, potentiometers, but I don't think I'll clip any diodes in there.
No, the idea is so that you can hunt D507 down and make sure that it is intact.
Okay.
Hey, put some good clothes on there, Stroke, because if he's going to make you sound good, you might as well look good while you're talking.
No, actually, this video is going to make him sound bad.
Uh-oh.
The video was covered up too much. I didn't think it'd be that bad, but when I played it back, I go, damn. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's when you went, oopsie, I done a boo-boo.
I ought to just throw it on live. Everybody can play Radio Check Day.
Yeah, you're right about that.
Confirm the radio check, prick.
Yeah, there, 4-stroke. Now, you just had it on. Turn it off and say a few words. Turn it back on, say a few words. You'll hear it.
A few words, a few words, a few words.
And a few more.
Okay. Yeah, this is with the box off. Dead key and talking.
Next.
Hang on.
That sounds like shit.
You'll hear it.
Hang on. There we go. Like that is kind of where I wanted it. Dead key and talking.
Okay, now leave it there and talk loud into it.
I don't want to because it'll start clipping, or it sounded like it was clipping on your video. Maybe that's just your video, I'm not sure.
It's just lowering the modulation in general. Okay, no, this will be absolutely anybody else that wants to listen to the video will verify that's exactly what they're hearing.
Because I just talked to Casey.